Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we solve guys talkback problem in our Infinix phone. Guys you want to solve guys your talkback problem, so friends you can solve. And guys now let's see how can we solve guys this problem. Guys you can see you cannot use your screen. So friends you have this problem in your Infinix phone, and guys you have problem at the Android phone. So friends how can you solve it? In this video I will show you. Sorry friends, I paused the video guys. Now continue. How can we solve talkback problem in Infinix phone? So first of all guys, you can say we cannot use guys our phone with one finger. Guys, you want to use, so you can scroll with your two fingers. So two finger guys, we will scroll guys. We will click on setting option. In setting icon guys, double tap and guys scroll with your two finger your screen guys. Two finger guys, you can scroll guys. You can use your talkback setting. So we will scroll. Click on guys your special function setting, double tap. Accessibility guys, you can get direct, double tap, talk back, double tap, stop talk back guys, tap here. Then guys your talk back will solve. Guys your talk back problem will solve. And guys you can see your talk back notification, how can you use, how can you on, how can you off. Guys you can see double tap to activate. So like that guys you can use your talkback setting, and guys you can solve your talkback problem in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.